If you are interested in data science or you want to build your career in data science, then this video is going to be for you, because in this video I am going to talk about top 13 free online data science certification courses, and these all are offered by Alison. After completing this course, you will get your free certificate and you can add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile, and you can do all of these things without purchasing any certificate from Alison, and I'll show you how to do that. So at the very first, you need to click here get started, then we need to select here continue with Google. Okay, well, we are logged in on our account. Then again we need to click here get started. Then here you can see our top 13 online data science certification courses are available here before us. So let's see what are these courses that we are going to do. The first course is here, Diploma in Machine Learning with R Studio. Second one is there, Data Science Regression and Clustering Models. Third course is Introduction to Data Science. Next one is Diploma in Data Analytics with Python. Next course is Data Analytics, Mining and Analysis of Big Data, Statistics Effective Displaying Data, Data Science Visualization Data and Exploring Models. Then Introductory to Ultrax, Data Science Working with Data, Introduction to Python Tools. Next one is Python Programming, Working with Numbers, Dates and Times. Then Diploma in Natural Networks in Python, Deep Learning for Beginners. Then SAS Programming. So these are the 13 courses in this data science category. You can do all of these 13 courses, or if you want you can do any specific course. So to start any course, you just need to simply click here Start Now button. Okay. Then you need to click here Start Topic button, and here you can see module progress is 0% complete. As I did not start this course, that is the reason that is showing here. But in case of you, whenever you complete the whole course, then you will need to give one quiz test. If you pass in this test, then you will get your certificate in your dashboard. Now I'm showing you how to find your certificate and how to add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile, and at the same time how can you download your certificate. So let's see. For example, you just complete this course, then next steps what you will do, just need to simply click here your picture icon, then you'll get your dashboard here like this, and in your dashboard you will get all of your certificates information. As I completed here one course earlier, that's the reason I'm seeing here this completed courses, the course title. So in this way you will get your course title, course assessment score, and your completion date, everything. And here you'll find two options, add to LinkedIn profile and learner verification. If you want to add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile, you just need to simply click here add to profile. Okay, let's see what will happen when you click here add to LinkedIn profile. Then they will redirect you to LinkedIn profile if you are logged in your LinkedIn account. Okay, just wait here. Again, here you can see everything is automatically filled here. You don't need to do anything. Just if you want, you can click here. This credential does not expire, and otherwise every information automatically filled up here. You don't need to do anything. You just need to simply click here save, and your certificate will be added to your LinkedIn profile. Let's see how easy it is to do. And here second option is that learner verification. If you would like to get the PDF format of your certificate, then you can click here learner verification. And okay, here, so when you click it, then you will get your learner achievement verification. It is almost like your certificate, but it is free. Then here you need to click print a copy, and then here you will get your learner achievement verification, this thing here. So you don't need to purchase your certificate by paying any amount of money. You can get this one totally free of cost, and it is same to your certificate, and you can use this one as your certificate because it contains your score, it contains whatever modules you studied, your course name, your title, your name, everything contains this one. So you can use this one instead of purchasing a certificate from Alison. So in this way you can get your learner achievement verification, which is almost looking like your certificate. Just need to simply click your download button, then you can download this one as a PDF format and you can use this anywhere, wherever you want. So I think it will be very much helpful for you. Check the video description to get all of the courses link. So let's enjoy doing this course.